Hey everyone, it's 12:25 p.m. on this Wednesday. We've got more of the same for today, more heat and humidity. And to add to that, we have the heat advisory in effect for the entire valley until 6 o'clock this evening. So the heat indices, or the feels like temperatures, will range between 111 to 115. So again, if you're outside during the day, even for the early evening hours, please take it easy and drink lots and lots of water. It will stay hot for this afternoon. Temperatures are currently in the mid-90s in most spots, but it's 92 in Rio Grande City and Port Isabel, and 97 degrees in Brownsville right now, 94 here at the station. When you factor that humidity into the air temperature, it feels even hotter. It feels like 107 in Edinburgh, 112 in Brownsville, 103 in Weslaco, and 108 in Rio Grande City. So here's your day planner forecast. Stay cool out there. We'll have air temperatures in the triple digits at 3 p.m. with partly cloudy skies. A little bit breezy for this afternoon. It should be mainly dry, so by that we mean just about a 10% chance of a shower, especially toward the coast. 96 is your temperature at 6 o'clock this evening, and then we're partly cloudy at 9 p.m. Still a bit breezy with temperatures in the upper 80s. All right, it is not quiet in the tropics. That was a wrong graphic, but here's the latest on Tropical Storm Dorian. Maximum winds are 70 miles per hour, so it's located about 25 miles to the southeast of St. Croix in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Now, Dorian is expected to become a hurricane later on today. It's moving to the northwest at 13 miles an hour. You notice these red outlines here. We have a tropical storm watch in effect for the eastern tip of the Dominican Republic, a hurricane watch for the entire island of Puerto Rico, but we have hurricane warnings for the two islands of Vieques and Culebra. And here's the official forecast track from the Hurricane Center. Dorian expected to be a hurricane later on this afternoon, make a move toward the northwest, but then by this weekend, the Hurricane Center forecast Dorian to make a sharp turn toward the west-northwest and perhaps make landfall in Florida as a major hurricane. Now, keep in mind, this forecast could very well change. It's changed many times before, and again, this forecast could change in both track and intensity. So we don't want you to focus on that center line, but everybody from the Florida Keys all the way to even the Carolinas should be watching Dorian very carefully for the next couple of days because this forecast could very well change. Here's the computer forecast models, the spaghetti models. Most of them do take Dorian toward Florida. A few models take it out to sea, and some of them take them toward Louisiana, but those are the outliers. Back home in Texas, just some spotty showers and thunderstorms, some scattered showers and thunderstorms toward the middle Texas Gulf Coast. One front is over central Texas, not coming toward the valley. It just stays hot for us. Temperatures right now 89 degrees in San Antonio, 90 in Austin, 91 in Houston. I'm going to show you two models here for us. Yes, it just stays hot for the rest of the week into the weekend thanks to high pressure with a very small chance of a shower in the valley for the next few days. But here's the European model. It calls for Dorian to move right past the Bahamas or through the Bahamas and then enter Florida by this weekend, perhaps moving across central Florida and then maybe entering the Gulf of Mexico by Monday. Here's the American model. This is the GFS model. Again, of course, hot for us here in the valley, but with Dorian, the American model calls for Dorian to also head toward Florida, but maybe more so toward North Florida, toward the Jacksonville area, and then maybe skirt the coast of North Florida into Georgia and the Carolinas. As I've said many times before, these forecasts could very well change, so keep it tuned to Channel 5. For us, just a 10% chance of a shower today, dry tomorrow, and a 10% chance of a shower on Friday. On the water, we'll have winds out of the southeast at 15 to 20 knots, gusting to 25. The bay waters are moderate chop, and the seas 2 to 4 feet. Here's your first 5 AccuWeather forecast. Partly cloudy, of course, hot and humid again today with just a 10% chance of an isolated shower. We'll have high temperatures in the upper 90s and triple digits. Winds out of the southeast at 10 to 15 miles an hour, gusting to 20. For your Wednesday night, partly cloudy and humid with low temperatures only in the upper 70s. Winds out of the south-southeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour. So here's that 7-day forecast. Temperatures are in the triple digits for tomorrow and Friday. It should be dry tomorrow, but still breezy. Breezy weather continues Friday and Saturday. We'll keep in a small chance of some spotty showers or thunderstorms Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It still stays hot, but maybe by Labor Day we're back to 97 degrees. We are going to put in a 30% chance of some isolated showers and thunderstorms for Monday and for Tuesday. That's your first Warn 5 forecast. We shall be back after this.